Hello friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to generate Roblox AI images with ChatGPT. If you're ready, let's get started. First, visit the official ChatGPT website and log in. Then click the plus icon and select Create Image. Now, in this section, you need to describe what kind of image you want. You can use ready-made prompts if you wish, or you can ask an AI to generate a prompt for you. As an example, I prepared a short prompt myself. Remember, the more detailed your description, the more efficient it will be. When you're ready, click the Submit button and start the image creation process. It doesn't actually take very long, but I'm speeding this up for you. As you can see, a pretty nice image has been created. If there's anything you don't like about the image or want changed, click on the image once and type the parts you want changed in the Describe Edit section below. If you like the image and want to download it, simply click the Save button in the upper right corner. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to generate Roblox AI images with ChatGPT was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.